How to add Cash App card to PlayStation. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add your Cash App card to your PlayStation app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open your PS app and wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, here tap on this PlayStation bag icon. Then here tap on these three lines in the top right side. Then here tap on payment methods. Then here wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, here tap on add payment method. Then here tap on add a credit or debit card. Then here enter your Cash App card number, enter here your name, here expiration date, CVV, and then after filling all these details, tap on next and continue with the card adding process. So this is how you can add your Cash App card to your PlayStation app. Thanks for watching.